Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. All the world and all humanity, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. I will say independence of Kashmir. Verbally and wordily. Many people say that there are two kidneys in the body of an organism. There is a heart in the body of an organism. There are lungs in the body of an organism. There is a liver in the body of an organism. They say by wordly, but if they say practically, this is kidney. Function of kidney is filtration of blood. It performs very important function. This is kidney. You have to see what is kidney. What is the function of kidney?
Are you all my personal
Heart. This is heart. What is the function of heart? Pumping of blood. This is the function of heart. You know, all organisms have this vital organ. This organ performs the function of pumping of blood. This is practically what is heart. Liver. What is the function of liver? I will say the function of liver is detoxification, and it performs very vital function in the body of an organism. Like this, you have to not say what is liver. I will say these are lungs. The function of lungs is respiration. And if you see, these are lungs and they perform the function of respiration. Like this, practically, you have to show how we can and we want independence of Kashmir. We want independence Kashmir practically. I request UNO, SAARC, European unions, OIC, and all the countries of the world and the leaders of the nations, please do practically work for the independence of Kashmir. What is being held and what are you doing? What are you seeing? These are not being violated human rights. You have to see human rights are being violated in the Kashmir. You know what is the status of women. You know what is the status of an old person. You know what is the status of a young man. You know what is the status of a kid. You know all these things. I request you and I kindly, humbly and very keenly request you do practically if you want independence of Kashmir. Especially Imran Khan and Narendra Modi. Be serious for this independence of Kashmir. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.